This chocolate is really good. I love sweets. I don't care if my mouth is messy. It tastes so good.
Tom, are you eating chocolate again? That's enough. Go brush your teeth.
Oh no, Mom. I'm not finished yet.
No excuses. Your teeth need cleaning.
Okay, I'm going. Wait, is that strawberry cake? Just one small bite. Mom won't notice.
Tom, what are you doing?
Oh, my. Who is that? I'm brushing now. Oh. All right, I'll brush my teeth. What was that sound?
Oh, my tooth fell out.
Wow, this is my baby tooth. It looks old and dirty. Ew, it smells really bad. That's funny. Mom, look what I found. Mom, look, my tooth fell out.
Oh, this is a big moment.
Put it under your pillow, and the tooth fairy will come. Really? Will she bring me a gift? Yes, if you are a good boy. I will, Mom. I want a superhero toy. Please bring me something cool. I hope it's a big gift. Okay, time to work. Please don't wake up.
Whoa, that smells really bad. I can't breathe.
Let's take a look at this tooth. Oh, it's so lovely. Oh no, this tooth is so dirty. I feel dizzy. Huh? What happened? Are you okay? Here's my tooth. Where's my gift? no gift. This tooth is too dirty. But I want a present. Rules are rules.
See you tomorrow. Please give me one chance.
Okay, I will.
I'll count down. Oh. Huh?
Clean the tooth first.
Oh, okay. I'll clean it really well. Look how much better it is. It looks much better now.
I understand completely.
Ah,
Yes, I'll do it. Yes! Yes! Thank you! Oh no, not again.
Oh no, not this smell again. Oh no, I really need to brush my teeth. I don't want to be smelly.
I brush every tooth carefully. So clean! Smell this.
It's better now. Good job.
This is for you. Wow, thank you. Yes, my gift! Oh, wow, let's see.
Toothpaste?
I guess I really need this. Brush every day.
I promise to brush my teeth twice a day, after I wake up and before I go to bed.
I'm proud of you, Tom. I will bring more gifts to you, and remember to keep your teeth shiny. Great job, Tom. You can brush your teeth by yourself.
I think the Tooth Fairy did a great job in teaching you.
Yes, she did.